Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today, we have our new beauty test tube winner box where we're giving away one of the items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know, I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Juvia's Place Afro Galactic palette. And it kind of looks like this. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, I want you guys to go into your settings and mark those, because I do not want you guys to miss on giveaways. I'm filming 2 of them today. I do them a lot here on the channel. I absolutely love making other people happy, and I really, really appreciate you guys. What is on my eyes today? It is the ColourPop After Hours palette. Super pretty, especially this time of year. So the box is $59 a quarter. It's mainly skincare and hair care items. Every once in a while, you will find a makeup item in there as well. So the total of this box, you guys, is $363. It's a really good deal. Guys, this little guy right here retails for $66. It is the LMS Pro Collagen Night Cream, and it's created to capitalize on the skin's ability to heal and rejuvenate while we sleep. And this overnight hero is jam-packed with skin-enhancing ingredients to target signs of aging and reveal a radiant, firmer-looking complexion. Sorry that this one is so reflective. Kind of point it upwards a little bit. This is the Barber Pow Serum Ampoules. This retails for $60. I really loved all the Barber products that I've tried before. So these 7-day intensive treatment series ampoule addresses an array of skin care concerns, from dullness and irritation to uneven texture and damage. The skin carriers, thanks to each set, unique a highly concentrated formula. Love it. From Exuviance is an exfoliating and conditioning foot balm. As some of you may know, I recently had like a toe injury, and where I had to have my toenail like permanently removed, and so I haven't been able to put my foot cream on it, and I suffer from like dry, cracked heels anyway, and so they are nasty cracked right now. So I think this one's going to come in handy. It does retail for $29. And treat yourself to silky smooth feet all year round for less than the cost of a pedicure with this high-strength exfoliating and conditioning foot balm that offers all the benefits of a traditional foot peel without the peeling. From Odell is a leave-in conditioner. It does retail for $11.99. This salon grade leave-in next level moisture detangling, yes please. Frizz taming, yes please. And defining benefits, like if I can get some defining curls going on. Whether your hair is naturally thirsty or dry, from treatments, my hair's just dry, period. This quenching conditioner is just the ticket. From Wise is a gentle face cleanser stick, the Clean Sweep. It does retail for $20. An innovative stick cleanser that dermatologically tested for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It provides a gentle yet deep clean and effectively removes impurities, dirt, and excess oil without stripping away natural moisture. Plus, it never leaks and is TSA approved. if you're going on a trip or anything and it's in a stick, I think this sounds like a really good idea, because I always have problems like packing enough stuff into my little thing that's TSA approved from my liquids. From Versed. I've wanted to try one of these out. I think Olay makes one that it's kind of like it, that I want to try out. They haven't yet. So this is a pressed Restart Gentle Retinol Body Lotion. Retails for $21.99. Clinically proven and dermatologist tested, this body lotion repairs more than dryness, helping to firm the skin, smooth textures, and brighten dullness. It even treats body breakouts, including the dark spots that they leave behind with each use. Okay, when I say stuff was so tightly wrapped in bubble wrap, this would be it. So this is the Luster Glossy Pearl Hair Shining Serum. It does retail for $28. It's a hair enhancing serum, nourishes each strand with the benefits of pearl extract to help keep your hair shining and smoother than ever before. I wanted to try one of these. This is the Delicious Brown Sugar Vanilla Scrub. Retails for $38. Your new go-to for spa quality. I've heard these things are amazing, you guys. The exfoliating and moisturizing experience. The streamy scrub is infused with clarifying, nourishing, and hydrating ingredients. It leaves the skin feeling soft, glowing, and irresistibly silky. From Earth Harbor is an Azure Smooth Neck and Face Water Cream. It retails for $48. Your one-way ticket to smooth sailing for your face, neck, and chest. This water cream is bouncy, lightweight, oil-free moisturizer for plump, firm, and lifted skin with each use. As we like to get a little older, our décolletage kind of needs more attention. And from Live On Labs, you guys, I've tried this before. It's a lithospheric vitamin C. You just kind of mix it up and put it in your drink. It's a first of its kind supplement built to target the cells with liposome encapsulation technology. It's clinically shown to support the immune system. Nobody wants to get sick this time of year. And the skin. It also delivers long-lasting antioxidant power to our blood and cells. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I don't even know. What are we going to do that I wouldn't use in here that we can use as a giveaway? Okay, what was your guys' favorite thing in here? Ooh, this one's a tough one for me. I do wish that there was a makeup item in here. There wasn't this time. I think I'm really anxious to try these two, and they're actually, this is probably first for me for picking two body products over like skin products, like face products. What was your guys' favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word of the day is Boise State. They're headed to the Fiesta Bowl, so Boise State is your secret word. So let's give away that stick cleanser from YOS to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Also, make sure to put on it that secret word. Now, you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you actually did do them, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your 2nd ways, if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your 3rd way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your 4th way is if you share this video with your family, friends, social media accounts. It's a way for me to get back to say thank you guys so much for doing it, because it really does mean a lot to me, and it really helps out the channel grow when you guys do that. YouTube was no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through January 3rd, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then sometime that next week, what I will do is I'll take from all the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, the bonus entries, I'll take first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I don't, so don't has to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information, I don't share that information, I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just easier to mail out the prize to the winners. So let me know how you guys are doing in the comments down below. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate checking it out. If you like the video, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel when you do. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!